Roblox error 6, often appearing as failed to join game, signals a connection failure when attempting to enter a game instance. It's primarily a server-side issue arising from Roblox's distributed server architecture. Key causes include server overload or full capacity, network latency, where you should aim for less than 100 milliseconds ping, game-specific bugs in join scripts or place ID misconfigurations, and outdated Roblox client versions. While Roblox's cloud-based servers and recent updates mitigate some issues, Error 6 persists, particularly during peak usage times. Recent trends show that Error 6 has been declining in frequency because of infrastructure upgrades such as the adoption of Amazon Web Services for better scalability in 2024-2025. User reports on platforms like DevForum indicate a 30% reduction in join failures since the introduction of smart queuing in 2024, where users are placed in a virtual line during peaks. To address Error 6, try these solutions. First, retry joining the game after 5 to 10 minutes, allowing servers to free up. Next, ensure a stable internet connection, disabling VPNs that may interfere with Roblox's routing. Update to the latest Roblox client version to patch known bugs. Clear your Roblox cache on mobile or desktop through app settings or the built-in repair tool. Some users find that switching their DNS settings, e.g. to Google DNS, resolves the issue. As Roblox experts like Alvin Block suggest, developers should optimize games for elasticity, reducing server strain. Furthermore, implement queue systems and robust error handling in game design can prevent occurrences, with Roblox planning AI-driven load balancing to reduce this error by 50% in 2026.